Okay, so now that we have regrouped, we are just going to do simple subtraction. So let's start with the tens. What is 10 ones minus 6 ones? Good, 4 ones. And what is 4 tens minus 2 tens? Good, 2 tens. Okay, let's do D together. So we have 70 minus 54. Oh, that is a 4, boys and girls. Okay, so again, if we have 0 cookies, can we give away 4? No, so we need to regroup the 70, okay? So I'm going to take 110, so 7 minus 1 is 6. To give this 110 to the ones, and remember 110 equals 10 ones. So if you're giving 110 to the ones, you're actually giving them 10 ones. So the 0 turns into 10, okay? Now again, a simple easy peasy question. What is 10 ones minus 4 ones? Good, 6. And what is 6 tens minus 5 tens? Very good, 110. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that is it. That is all for our math lesson. Okay, I want you to do the AP activity that is called Subtraction with Regrouping on Seesaw. Okay, good luck.